What is new in science and science
only channel.
In this video, we will showcase some of the interesting drone building, robot building, artificial intelligence and data science projects that we published in our channel. This will give you a glimpse of our channel and our exciting content. We bring you the wonders of technology and innovation that will leave you amazed and inspired. Drone building. Dive into the world of drone building. Witness the evolution of drones from quadcopter to bicopter. Learn about the intricate components and explore the limitless possibilities of drone technology. Robot building. Get a behind-the-scenes look at the design, building robots and controlling it using mobile. Artificial intelligence. Unlock the mysteries of artificial intelligence as we explore its impact on various fields. Discover how machines are learning, adapting, and making decisions. We have demonstrated object and face detection projects using Pictoblox as well as controlling robots with your voice. Data science. Dive into the realm of data science, where patterns, insights, and predictions come to life. Witness real-life examples of data-driven decision-making, sentiment analysis. Data visualization using Sankey diagrams, choropleth maps and graph visualization using Neo4j. Join us on the Science channel as we bring you the most fascinating and exciting content from the world of drone building, robot building, automation, artificial intelligence, and data science. Subscribe now and embark on a journey of discovery with us. Remember, on the Science channel, the wonders of science are just a click away.